Remove the dust cover and insert the eyepiece into the eyepiece tube. Install the mechanical stage movement ruler. Install the stage extension plate. Install the objective lenses in sequence. Install the stage. Loosen the slotted screw. Install the bulb. Do not touch the bulb with your hands. Align and install the lamp housing to the base, then lock and tighten the fastening screws. Install the green filter. Install the polarizer insert plate. Install the 360 rotatable analyzer insert plate. Remove the dust cover and install the adapter interface. Install the camera device. Click Step 1, then keep clicking Next by default. Click Step 3 to install the dongle driver. Click Step 4 to install the camera driver. Click System Plugins to install common Microsoft runtime libraries. Turn on the microscope power switch. Switch to the 10 objective lens. Place the 0.01 scale ruler on the stage. Push the switching lever to the left. Connect the video cable to the HD camera. Adjust the coarse focus and fine focus to make the image clear. Click Capture. Click Calibrate Hardware Parameters. Draw a horizontal line from left to right. The actual length is 1000 micrometers m. Delete the default value for the current objective lens and set it to 10. Finally, click Save. Finally, click Close.